Hello. Would you like to count 1 to 5 with me? Great. Let's go. So we will start with number 1. And here we have number 1. Can you see number 1 with me? Let's spell number 1 together. Okay? Let's go. O N E. Did you do that? Should we try again? Okay. O N E. This is number 1. Would you like to see what we have behind the card? Great. Wow, we have one lion. Did you see the lion? Here we have only one lion. Okay? Remember how to spell number 1? O-N-E. Don't forget, okay? And this is number 2. Would you like to spell 2 with me? Good job. Let's go. T-W-O. Would you like to try again? Okay. T-W-O. Okay, now let's see what we have behind the card. Ta-da! We have 2 helicopters. Would you like to count with me? Let's go. 1 and 2. We have 2 helicopters. Good job. This is number 3. Would you like to spell number 3 with me? Great. Let's go. T-H-R-E-E. Would you like to try again? Okay. T-H-R-E-E. Good job. Okay, let's see what we have behind the card. Wow, we have 3 elephants. Wow, would you like to count with me? Let's count the elephants together. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Would you like to try again? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You are doing a good job. This is number 4. Number 4. Would you like to say that with me? It's number 4. Okay, let's count. Let's spell number 4 together, okay? Let's go. F-O-U-R. Should we try again? F-O-U-R. Great job. Okay, let's see what we have behind the card. Wow, we have 4 buses. You remember the song, The Wheels on the Bus? These are 4 buses. Okay, so let's see how we can count these buses together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we try again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. And finally, we have number 5. Would you like to spell 5 with me? Excellent. Let's go. F-I V, E. Should we try again? Okay. F, I, V, E. Good job. Let's see what we have behind the card. Wow, here we have 5 canoes. Would you like to paddle with me? Great. So let's count the canoes together, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Should we try again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bravo! You are doing a good job. Okay, let's see if you still remember how to count 1 to 5. Would you count with me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bravo! You did a good job. So now you know how to count 1 to 5. Bravo! See you some other time. Bye.